Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, I am going to show you the project that I have made. So here you can see that I have created the Java web application, which is which is named as Daily Note app, which is the note taker application, and into that I have created the front end of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap, and at the back end I have used the Servlet and the JSP and MySQL database as a database source. So before doing anything, I am going to run this project. I am going to show you the demo. So run on the server, and here you can see that by running this project, you can see the very first page of our project, which is going to be appear in front of us, which is login frame or login or registration frame. So here you can see that in front of you the login and registration frame is appear, so which I have created into the single page. User can register to our system by just adding the name, email address and password, and login again by login credentials. So I am going to login to system by previously added login details which I have registered. When I click on login button, you can see I am going to see the home page of our website, home page of our application, which is in front of you. So by login, you can see that the navigation bar is going to be changed to the login register to the logout, and the username and add note, you can see that adding button is going to be activated after the login to the system. And here you can see that at the home page of system, you can see all the notes which I have previously added into the database, that you can see here. That notes I can delete also. So here you can see that I have deleted that note, and I can add that note also. So let me show you addition also. Here I have deleted another one. So how to add that let me tell you. So to add that, you have to click on that add note button here, and into that you can see here you have to write something like note title. That is, suppose I am going to write like this is best note or whatever I have written, and this is the description of the best note that I am going to write here. So, and as soon as I click on that save button, you can see our data is going to be inserted into the database, and it says that note saved successfully. So how do I get that? So you can see at the bottom here, you can see the note which I have added, which is going to be appear in front of you here, and with the specified date. That is, you can see at the 7/2/2022 I have added this note. So you can see this note here. Not only that, you can edit this note also. So to edit this note, you have to just click on that edit link here. Just click on that edit link, and all the data of that note is going to be fetched out from the database to here to update that note. And here suppose I change the title like no, this is the best note edited, and description also like this is the description of the best note edited by me, so which I have edited. So, and when I click on save button, you can see that it says that note updated. The alert message, you can see that going to appear, and here you can see that the note title and note description also get changed according to me. So according to I have updated. So here you can see that in this way I have created such a type of the application in which login and registration module as well as logout module, you can see is here. So this is the navigation bar, and you can log out from the system also by just clicking on that logout link, and it says that logout successfully, and then again you can log into the system with your login ID, login email ID and password which you have set. So this is the application that we have created. So into that we can delete the data, edit the data, and add the data in the sense the note, simple note. That is, it is a create, read and update, delete application that we have just created by making use of the Bootstrap and by making use of the HTML, CSS and Java, Servlet and JSP. So we will be going to create complete project into further videos. So stay tuned with me and like this video.